Hello everyone. So I have this model here, and my goal is to separate the cap from the top of the hat. So I have made a spline selection, and I'm going to use that to sort of try and cut out. But to do that, I need to make a face, at least as far as I know. As I told you, I am not an expert in Fusion. And I was struggling a bit on how to do this, because if you, like here, I have the selection in 3D space and it is a complete circle, so if I try to make a face on it, it loops downwards. Now I don't want to go into the cavity downwards like it is, so I want it to go upwards. So how can you do this? Well, if you try to sketch directly towards this one from a different sketch, it will sort of fail, because no matter what I do, at least the sketch points become out of alignment. So what I found is that I can make a plane that is above it, and then I make a sketch on that plane, still in 3D space, and then I start by making a square. Actually, I'm going to show the model so you can see how much, because I don't want the square to go sort of past this point. So I'm going to make a square, and I'm going to make it from the center and not past that point, past the brim. So I want the square to be there. Okay, so then I press OK. And then you can make it into a face. Press OK. So now I have the rail underneath and the face. So I'm going to hide that for now. Then I can go in and I can that was the wrong button, sorry. So I will edit that sketch again. And then I want this geometry in 3D space onto this sketch where this one is. So they sort of exist in the same space. So I mark this one and I go to Create, Project, Include 3D Geometry. What this will do is it will project those points, but to that sketch, like this. So it's no longer a spline, it's actually a projected big line around the whole thing. And the next thing I'll do is I'll go out, I'll just reactivate that face, and then I select this, and then I select Create, Loft, and then I'll loft it to this one. And now it's upwards. And I press OK. Now I can hide this one. Actually, I'm going to keep that one and that one, and just hide that. So essentially now I have this, and I can use that as a cutting plane for the inside of the head and separate it from the model. So basically, I make that a little bit transparent. You can sort of see where the cut of the model will be inside the head. So the goal is to print that one in black PLA and just attach it to the top of the model, and yeah, basically that is the idea. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do it when I want to try and separate a part from this. So hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Like and sub for more.